In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a URL link for a PDF document. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Start by opening your Chrome web browser and click on the 9 dots. From there, select Drive from the options. Once Google Drive opens, look for the option that says New. Click on that and then select File Upload. This will take you to your device storage, where you can find the PDF document you want to upload. Once you locate the file, select it and click Open to upload it. When the PDF is uploaded, refresh your Drive tab. Now, right-click on it, then hover over Share. After that, click on Copy Link. And just like that, a link is created. You can now paste it anywhere you want and check how it works. And that's it.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.